Hi guys, welcome to Quick Tip Tuesdays. Today my tip is to always wear your bonnet or satin headscarf, use a silk pillowcase, etc, etc. Basically use something that is not cotton when you're going to sleep. Cotton is good for certain things, but for your hair at night when you're tussling, wriggling, moving all over your place, then your hair is going to rub against your pillowcases, your sheets, and then in turn that means breakage. And we all know, break your hair, it falls out. Simple as that. So my tip is always wear your bonnet to go to bed. Now I've got a few of these, but this is my trusty bonnet. I've had it for so long, maybe about 5 or 6 years, yes. And even when I get a new one, I always come back to this one because it doesn't budge. Sometimes it does, but it depends on the style that I have. So then I always know to pin around the area so that it doesn't fall off. So always wear your bonnet, guys. Night and you're gonna sleep as gracefully as me without the earrings and all of the but yeah, stay tuned for my next tip, which will always be on a Tuesday. I'm not gonna give you all my tips in one go, so if you want to learn more about what I do to maintain all of this, come back. All right, see you later. Bye. Oh, I'm back again. No, not really. Bye.